A healthy body doesn't happen all at once. It grows quietly through gentle choices, consistent breathing, and moments when you show up for yourself, even when no one's watching. Today, we'll move together through 12 basic yoga poses designed to support strength, balance, and inner healing. These aren't just stretches, they are small acts of care for your muscles, your posture, your energy, and even your mood. Each pose gives something back: stability, circulation, flexibility, clarity. So settle in. Take a deep breath, let your shoulders drop, and allow this practice to become a conversation between your body and your mind, slow enough to listen, strong enough to grow. Let's begin. 1. Mountain pose. Start by standing tall. Feet grounded, shoulders relaxed. Feel your spine rise like a tree trunk, rooted yet reaching. This pose realigns the body's posture and awakens awareness. It teaches you how to stand, not just with your feet, but with presence. 2. Cat-cow pose. On your mat, move between arching and rounding the spine. Slow, rhythmic movements massage your internal organs and release stiffness from the back. Health begins with flexibility, and this pose is nature's way of reminding you that tension doesn't belong in your body. 3. Downward facing dog. From hands and feet, lift your hips to form an inverted V. This posture lengthens the spine, strengthens the arms, and stretches the hamstrings. It boosts circulation and energy, perfect for waking up tired muscles and sluggish mornings. 4. Low lunge. Step 1 foot forward, drop the opposite knee. Open your chest gently. This relieves tightness in the hips while improving balance. A healthy body moves freely, and this pose restores the freedom that long hours of sitting take away. 5. Warrior 2. Stand strong with legs wide, arms stretched, eyes forward. Feel the strength in your legs, the expansion in your chest. This pose builds stamina and teaches endurance. Just like real health, it's both strong and calm. 6. Triangle pose. Extend one hand down to your shin or the floor, and the other reaches to the sky. Legs straight, chest open. This helps digestion, improves spinal stability, and unlocks stiffness around the waist and lower back. 7. Bridge pose. Lie down and gently lift your hips. Keep your feet grounded. This pose strengthens the back and improves blood flow to the heart and brain. It's like rebooting your system, lifting not just the hips, but your entire energy. 8. Chair pose. Bend your knees like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Extend your arms. Feel that slight burn? That's your body becoming stronger. This pose targets legs, thighs, and core, the foundation of daily physical endurance. 9. Seated forward bend. Sit with legs extended. Reach for your feet gently. This calms the nervous system and stimulates the liver and kidneys. It's a healing gesture toward your internal organs, encouraging detox and inner clarity. 10. Cobra pose. From the mat, lift your chest by pressing your palms down. your heart opens, your lungs expand. This is excellent for respiratory health and spinal flexibility. Perfect for anyone who spends hours hunched over screens. 11. Child's pose. Rest your hips back on your heels, forehead down, arms stretched. This is surrender, mental release, physical recovery. It gently soothes your nervous system and reduces fatigue. 12. Corpse pose. Lie still, just breathe. This is the most important pose. Here, your body absorbs the benefits of the entire session. Muscles relax, heart rate stabilizes, and stress melts away. Health isn't movement, it's also silence. Your body doesn't ask for perfection, it asks for care. With every pose today, you didn't just stretch muscles, you nurtured the living system that carries you through this life. Practice consistently, listen deeply, and let your body thank you in ways you can feel every morning. If this session helped you, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which pose made you feel the most connected to your body. Let's keep building health not through pressure, but through presence. Until our next practice, take care of your body. It's taking care of you every day.